Hello, Phonics Pals. Are you ready to learn a brand new sound today? Let's discover the sound made by K. Here we go. This is the K sound. Same as C, back of tongue, quiet puff. K, let's say it together, nice and slowly. K, k, k. Kit. Listen for the K sound. K, kit. Key. Listen for the K sound. K, key. Kid. Listen for the K sound. K, kid. Kick. Listen for the K sound. K, kick. Wonderful work. Today we learned the K sound K. We heard it in kit, key, kid, and kick. You did such a great job today. If you had fun learning with us, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Phonics Pals for a new sound every single day. Bye bye, Phonics Pals.